Hello and welcome to my channel Bonsai Sanctuary. Today I would be taking you on a tour to Fort King George. So Fort King George is actually located in Scarborough, which is the capital of Tobago. So stay tuned and you will see all that has to be offered on this fort. So this is actually the bottom of the fort. Nah, taking pictures. Where you could actually park your vehicle and this is actually the footpath that you would walk, that we are going to walk to end up on the fort. So this is actually the parking down to the bottom, and then you can walk. So as you can see, this is actually the back of the old Scarborough Regional Hospital. The hospital has since been moved and a new structure has been built, and they are now located in Signal Hill. But what they actually did with the old hospital is that they actually they upgraded it and they offered additional healthcare facilities up here. You would actually see the front of the hospital when I'm on my trip down, and from the footpath you can actually see the ocean. So in walking you would actually be taking in some fresh sea breeze, and we are being shaded. So the actual footpath, there are different trees shading us as we go along.